Dear friends, welcome to a personalized episode of Enlighten Me. Today we will explore how explainable AI builds trust and fairness, the importance of business moats for long-term success, and the practices that make companies innovative. Join us as we dive into these key insights. What exactly makes AI explainable, and why is this concept becoming increasingly crucial in our tech-driven world? This question sits at the heart of today's discussion, where we delve into the intriguing domain of explainable AI, XAI, its significance, operational mechanisms, and the benefits it offers across various sectors. At its core, explainable AI encompasses processes and methods that enable humans to understand and trust the outcomes produced by machine learning algorithms. The advent of AI has significantly transformed how decisions are made, from healthcare diagnostics to financial services. However, as AI systems become more complex, understanding the rationale behind their decisions, the how and why, has emerged as a pivotal concern. This opacity of AI's decision-making process, often referred to as the black box dilemma, is where explainable AI steps in, shining a light on the inner workings of these advanced systems. One might wonder, why is explainability so vital? To start, it fosters trust and confidence among users and stakeholders in AI-driven environments. Imagine a scenario in healthcare where a deep learning model predicts a patient's susceptibility to a particular disease. Clinicians and patients alike would understandably want to know on what basis the AI system arrived at its conclusions. Here, XAI can demystify the AI's decision-making process, ensuring that its recommendations are reliable and trustworthy. Moreover, explainable AI is not just about building trust. It's also about accountability and fairness, ensuring that AI systems do not inadvertently perpetuate biases or make unjustifiable decisions. This aspect of XAI is particularly crucial in sectors like criminal justice and financial services, where the implications of biased AI decisions can have profound impacts on individuals' lives. But how does explainable AI work? Techniques such as local interpretable, model-agnostic explanations, LIME, and deep learning. Important features, deep lift, are among the tools at the disposal of data scientists to enhance the transparency of AI models. LIME, for instance, helps in breaking down the prediction of a classifier in a way that's understandable to humans, providing insights into why the AI system made a specific decision. Similarly, Deep Lift reveals how each neuron's activation contributes to the final decision, offering a traceable path through the AI's thought process. The distinction between AI and XAI is akin to the difference between solving a math problem and showing one's work. While both might arrive at the correct answer, the latter provides a clear, step-by-step understanding of how the conclusion was reached. This transparency is not just for the benefit of those directly interacting with AI systems, but also for regulatory compliance and ethical considerations, ensuring that AI applications are responsible and justifiable. In real-world applications, the benefits of explainable AI are vast and varied. In healthcare, it enhances diagnostic accuracy and patient trust in AI-driven treatment recommendations. In the financial sector, it brings transparency to credit scoring and loan approval processes, helping to eliminate biases and ensure fairness. And in criminal justice, it aids in making risk assessments more accountable, reducing the chance of wrongful predictions. As we move forward, the integration of explainable AI into various sectors will undoubtedly increase, driven by the growing demand for transparency, fairness, and accountability in AI applications. The journey towards fully explainable AI is complex and challenging, but it is a necessary step in the evolution of AI, ensuring that these powerful tools serve humanity in an ethical and responsible manner. In conclusion, as AI continues to permeate every facet of our lives, the importance of explainability cannot be overstated. By demystifying the decision-making processes of AI systems, explainable AI not only builds trust and confidence, but also ensures that the deployment of AI technologies is responsible, fair, and aligned with societal values. As we embrace this next wave of technological advancement, the principles of explainable AI will play a crucial role in shaping a future where AI and humans collaborate effectively, ethically, and transparently. Now, let's discuss how businesses can achieve long-term success through developing enduring competitive advantages. What differentiates a successful business from its competitors, and how can a company secure its place in the market for the long term? This is the pivotal question we will explore today, diving into the concept of moats in the venture circle and understanding their significance in building a sustainable, value-driven company. The term moat is often thrown around in business discussions, yet its meaning is frequently misunderstood. In essence, a moat refers to a company's proven, perpetuating, and permanent economic advantages over its competitors. These advantages are quantifiable and are expected to either remain stable or grow stronger over time, ensuring the company's long-lasting value and success. However, it's crucial to note that these economic advantages, or moats, are not inherent to a company from day one. Early-stage investors, rather than evaluating a company's current moat, focus on its potential or path to develop a moat trajectory. This trajectory is essentially the roadmap a company follows to build its competitive advantages or capabilities. Capabilities are the intangible assets a business develops to operate more effectively and earn returns above others in the market. They are the engines of your competitive advantage, determining the persistence and scope of your moat. Despite not appearing on a balance sheet, these capabilities are arguably the most valuable asset of a company. Drawing from Bruce Greenwald's Competition Demystified, we understand that competitive advantages fall into two categories: customer captivity and resource captivity, both of which are strengthened by scale. Expanding on this, we recognize the importance of network effects and organizational design in establishing captivity. These elements combined provide a simplified but exhaustive list of capabilities critical for a company's success. Scale capabilities enhance a company's ability to acquire and retain customers, customer captivity, or produce its product, resource captivity, more efficiently and at a lower cost. For instance, Bank of America benefits from demand-side economies of scale, making it cheaper and easier to acquire customers. Similarly, General Mills enjoys supply-side economies, reducing production costs through higher asset utilization and lower cost of capital. Network effects, unlike scale, tend to yield exponential returns. These effects take various forms and are crucial in startup circles. For example, Facebook and eBay have thrived due to user and customer network effects, respectively, where the value of their service increases with each new user. Organizational design also plays a pivotal role in a company's competitive strategy. In the digital age, venture capital has enabled companies to adopt fundamentally different business models, focusing on long-term strategic advantages rather than immediate profit. This approach has led to winner-take-all dynamics, with organization design capabilities divided into those related to customer captivity and resource captivity. For businesses aiming to establish a competitive edge, identifying and focusing on building the right capabilities is crucial. Whether it's achieving localized economies of scale, becoming the go-to platform for third-party developers, or locking in customer data, knowing your North Star and aligning your company's efforts towards it is essential. In conclusion, understanding and developing capabilities that lead to a moat trajectory is foundational to a company's long-term competitive advantage. As we've explored, these capabilities range from scale and network effects to organizational design. Companies like Amazon exemplify the power of leveraging multiple capabilities effectively. For any business looking to secure its market position and build lasting value, focusing on these critical areas is not just beneficial, but necessary. Now, let's look at how the most innovative companies manage their practices and strategies to stay ahead in the market. What sets the most innovative companies apart from the rest? This is the question we dive into today, inspired by the latest findings of the Product Development and Management Association, PDMA's 2021 Global Survey. With responses from 651 companies across 37 countries, this survey offers unparalleled insights into the practices that drive innovation. Let's begin with an intriguing perspective shared by Max von Zetwitz, a professor at the School of Economics and Business, Kaunas University of Technology, Lithuania, and one of the co-authors of the study. He likens the process of innovation to the act of learning and observing. He argues that ceasing to innovate is akin to aging, a process that, if not managed well, leads to obsolescence. The PDMA's survey, now in its 5th edition, is the most global yet, with a significant focus on European and UK companies. It aims to identify what makes a company the best in terms of innovation. According to the criteria established back in 1997, the best companies are those that not only hit their financial and product development targets, but are also competitive and meet or exceed their own expectations. One of the key takeaways from the survey is the emphasis on evolving new product development capabilities. This is crucial for companies wishing to remain competitive as circumstances and environments change. Interestingly, the survey, conducted during the pandemic, revealed that the best companies continued to invest in new product development, unlike their counterparts who adopted a more defensive stance. So, what differentiates the best from the rest? The survey findings indicate that there isn't a single practice that sets them apart. Instead, it's their ability to manage various aspects well simultaneously. Notably, the best companies develop new products significantly faster than others. This isn't merely a skill, but a result of effective management of diverse practices. A closer look at the practices employed by the best companies reveals a focus on radical versus incremental innovation. Companies that dedicate a significant portion of their projects to radical innovations tend to be among the best. Moreover, these companies are more inclined to enter new markets, apply new technologies, take more risks, and adopt long-term strategies. Now, let's understand the distinction between radical and incremental innovation with some examples. Incremental innovation involves minor improvements from the customer's point of view, like moving from one smartphone model to the next. In contrast, radical innovation represents a fundamental change in how a product interacts with its customers. For instance, the transition from traditional cell phones to smartphones, or the introduction of a groundbreaking medical therapy. In a free market, the drive to innovate stems from a desire to remain competitive. Companies must adapt to constant changes to avoid becoming complacent. An example of this adaptability is how companies have responded to climate change and the COVID-19 pandemic, showcasing their ability to react quickly to urgent changes. In conclusion, innovation is not just about coming up with new ideas. It's about how these ideas are managed and implemented. The best companies understand that innovation requires a multifaceted approach, including a focus on radical innovation, risk-taking, and long-term strategies. As the world continues to evolve, so must the strategies companies employ to stay ahead in the game of innovation. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Innovation Pulse. If you enjoyed our insights and are eager to learn more, the Enlighten Me app is just a tap away. Expand your knowledge with personalized content on over 20 diverse topics, from crypto to health and beyond, all curated to fit your interests. Download the Enlighten Me app now at the Apple Store or Google Play, or visit the enlightenme.ai website. Stay curious, stay enlightened.